How to create YouTube channel on Android and iPhone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a YouTube channel on your phone. And if you don't know how to do that, then this video is gonna be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. So as you know, you can create a YouTube channel on YouTube app, but you cannot create a YouTube channel properly there. So for that, you need to use a browser. So first open up any browser on your smartphone and then go over to youtube.com. Now enable desktop mode on your browser. It's very easy, you can do that easily. So let me enable desktop mode on my browser. Once you enable desktop mode on your browser, click on sign in at the top right corner. Now here first put your email address. So let me put my email real quick. After putting your email address, click on next. And if you don't have an email address, then watch this video on my channel. It's gonna help you to create a Google account and there will get your email address as well. It's very easy. I will link this video in the description. You can watch there. Now here fill up this above captcha. So let me type above text in this box. After filling up this captcha, click on next. Now here enter the password of your Google account. So let me enter my password real quick. After entering your password, click on next and then wait for a few seconds. Now here you will be logged into your YouTube account. So as you're gonna create a YouTube channel, click here on your profile picture. And now here you can see create a channel. So click on create a channel and then click on get started. And here you can choose how to create your channel. So you can use your own name and also you can create a custom name. Here I am highly recommending you to create a custom name. So as I'm gonna create a custom name, I'm gonna click on here. And now let me create my channel name. After creating your channel name, click on this checkbox and click on create. And if you get a message like this, click on skip to YouTube Studio. And here you can see nice work. Your channel DTM has been created. Now here you can upload a profile picture for your YouTube channel. So if you want to upload a profile picture, click on upload profile and then select a profile picture that you have created for your YouTube channel. So let me select a photo real quick. After uploading your profile picture, here you can write a brief description about your channel and also here you can link different social media sites to your channel as well. So after doing all these steps, click on save and continue. And here wait for a few seconds. And here it is. We have created a YouTube channel successfully. Now our next step is to verify our YouTube account. So as I have already made a video on that, I'm not gonna repeat that in this video. So if you want to verify your YouTube account, watch this video on my channel. It's gonna help you to verify your YouTube channel. And I will link this video in the description. You can watch there. So if you verify your YouTube account, you will be eligible to upload custom thumbnail to your YouTube videos. And also you will be eligible to upload videos longer than 15 minutes. So it's very important to verify your YouTube account. So this is how you can create a YouTube channel on mobile, Android and iPhone. And if you found this video helpful, please do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to delete YouTube channel on phone, watch this video and I will see you in the next one.